shit just hit the fan, motherfuckers. Sorry for my language, I had to use that. There is a tornado on the ground, reported by storm spotters and storm officials. On the ground by Patch Grove over in Grant County, which is down where my dad works. Half an hour away. When that first hail came by, yeah, that was a storm. Tornado confirmed on the ground, heading going towards Lancaster. So shit really did hit the fan. So everybody pray for the people over in Grant County. Talking to myself. Dog. Door. Praise the Lord. Let's take a moment of silence. Okay. Well, storm's already over with, so I'm gonna get ready to go to bed, so and post some more videos. Thanks for watching. And this is what I really hate. I really hate to see tornado warnings. So I was jacked. Now it's just I gotta go.